It is the year 2040, where the music industry has been converted into a cyber world of technology, software and interactive product services. Policed by RAs, reproduction agents better known as repos, humanoid replicated robots now patrol the city of conglomerates, directed by a handful of master race overlords, whose lust for power and greed to monopolize the industry merged their massive labels together, forming a master entertainment conglomerate called the Music Authority Coalition. The MAC, as it is known, is governed by one man, Foss-Tech, the anti-music lord, whose plan is to clone and control all recording artists and depose all non-conforming independent record labels and interactive networks. Networks dedicated to underground music, distribution, product downloading, video streaming, and radio broadcasting, better known as Life's Blood. Passionists, independents whose dedication to making real music is only surpassed by their commitment to delivering it. Soldiers of the streets, rebel independents fight back, unwilling to accept false leaders and their viral government. Thus, welcome to Talentsville, a vast community spread throughout the city of conglomerates, where colonies of highly intelligent, streetwise, technical independents fight to preserve their life's blood, the truth of song and music. Deep beneath the tracking streets of Talentsville rest the secret headquarters of the most highly sought-after independent label in the land, Urban Nation, a band of multicultural individuals, super talents, who have bonded their skills, uniting their services as one. Working outside the lines, this group of street and tech-savvy students have changed the game forever. How, you ask? I'll tell you. By creating and hosting the single most sacred property in the community, the Book of Music. Beneath it all, who's really running things?